Can I get Peacock on Sony Smart TV? Yes, Peacock is available on most Sony Smart TVs, but its compatibility depends on the model and operating system. Sony Smart TVs running Android TV or Google TV support the Peacock app, while older models may require an external streaming device or casting to access Peacock. 1. Checking if your Sony Smart TV supports Peacock. Sony Smart TVs that run Android TV or Google TV can download Peacock from the Google Play Store. To check if your TV is compatible, press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to the Google Play Store or Apps section. Search for Peacock in the store. If the Peacock app appears, your TV supports it. If not, you will need an alternative method to watch. 2. Installing Peacock on a Sony Smart TV. If your Sony Smart TV supports Peacock, follow these steps to install it. Press the Home button on your remote. Open the Google Play Store for Android TV or Apps section for Google TV. Use the search function to find Peacock. Select the app and click Install. Open the app, sign in with your Peacock account, and start streaming. 3. Using an external streaming device for Peacock. If Peacock is not available on your Sony TV, you can connect an external streaming device that supports the Peacock app, such as Amazon Fire Stick, Roku Stick, Apple TV, Google Chromecast with Google TV, gaming consoles like PlayStation or Xbox. Simply install the Peacock app on your external device, sign in, and start streaming. 4th, casting Peacock from a mobile device. If your Sony TV does not support Peacock natively, you can cast or screen mirror from a smartphone, tablet, or computer using Chromecast or AirPlay. Ensure your Sony Smart TV and mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Peacock app on your mobile device. Tap the cast icon for Chromecast or use AirPlay for Apple devices. Select your Sony TV and the content will play on your screen. If your Sony Smart TV runs on Android TV or Google TV, you can install Peacock directly. Otherwise, using an external device or casting option allows you to access Peacock. Checking your TV's compatibility ensures you can stream Peacock content easily.